Sharpie Tile Art. The materials you need for this project are rubbing alcohol. You want to get the 91%, not the 70%, because it doesn't work the same. You also need a ceramic tile. I'm using the 4 1/4 size square tile, a small paintbrush, a medicine dropper, and a straw. The first thing you're going to do is wash and dry your tile. You want a clean surface before you begin. Using your color wheel, choose some coordinating colors for your tile. With your Sharpies, color your tile using your choice of colors. There is no right or wrong way in doing this. So you can choose one color and do a small area, or do a large area with one color, or split it up. Doesn't necessarily matter. Just have fun with it. Using your paintbrush or your medicine dropper, put about a dime size amount of rubbing alcohol onto your colored tile and watch what happens. Watch as the colors blur together in that area where you place the rubbing alcohol. You're going to make a few drops, actually a bunch. So make another one and another and another until you're satisfied with where your piece is going. Once you feel like you can't go any further, stop and let it dry.